Step into luxury and craftsmanship with this 2018 Tiffin Phaeton 40IH, a bath and a half diesel pusher designed for comfort, performance, and full-time livability. As you walk up, you're immediately greeted by Tiffin's stunning white mahogany full-body paint and the commanding presence of the PowerGlide 380 horsepower diesel chassis. Stepping inside, the quality is unmistakable. Rich English chestnut cabinetry surrounds you, paired with a bright and inviting sterling interior. Heated tile floors run throughout the coach, giving you that residential feel the moment you walk in. Moving into the kitchen, this coach is fully all-electric, giving you the convenience and safety of residential-style living. You'll find a full residential refrigerator powered by a 2,000-watt inverter, along with a cooktop and convection microwave for flexible meal prep. As you head toward the rear, the bath and a half layout really shines. It offers added convenience for guests and everyday living, while the rear master suite provides a private, comfortable retreat. The Queen Air Comfort mattress allows you to adjust firmness for a better night's sleep, and you'll also find a safe in the closet, along with generous storage, including space beneath the bed. A stacked washer and dryer complete the residential feel, giving you everything you need for long-term travel. Back outside, everything about this 2018 Phaeton 40IH reflects thoughtful design and premium construction. From its durable diesel performance to its high-end finishes and livable floor plan, this is a motorhome built to go the distance in comfort and style. To view all the photos, see the MSRP, and complete details of this stunning motorhome, click the link in the description below.